Hi everyone! Have you signed up yet for the Stress-Free Card Making Summit? It starts this Friday. It's a free event, so I highly encourage you to pop over and sign up. I'll put a link in the description box here on YouTube for the website where you can go over and sign up. It's a free event taking part this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's the 29th and 30th of September and 1st of October. It starts at 9 a.m. each day, which is Eastern time. So if, like me, you're in the UK, then that's 2 p.m. I think. As I say, there are 29 of us taking part. And what we've done is we've all been given the brief to come up with a holiday or Christmas card idea using a maximum of 5 supplies. The idea being that we want it to be stress-free. We want to give you a load of Christmas and holiday card ideas that hopefully you can replicate yourself with hopefully supplies you've already got. I'll show you my card and the reason why I went with what I did. So I've done this lovely Christmas wreath and I've used the Sizzix winter wreath die set. So in terms of supplies, it's cardstock, that one die set, and then I've used some white acrylic paint for splatters and a white gel pen to do some stitching around the edge. So fairly simple. And my reasoning for going with a wreath design is, first of all, I'm hoping a lot of you have already got some sort of wreath design. Might not even be dies, actually, could be a stamp set that you could adapt and just use this as an idea to do something similar. I also thought a wreath design takes you beyond Christmas, because if you change the colours up, this could be beyond Christmas. So that was my reasoning. What else do I need to tell you? Each day there are live Q&As with all of the content creators. My live, I think I might be first up actually. I'm on the Friday morning. There is an option to upgrade, because with the free access, you get access each day at 9 a.m. to all the videos for that day. So it's over 3 days. So it's a perfectly feasible amount for you to sit and watch in one day. They don't go live at certain times. It's literally at 9 a.m. that whole day's content goes live, and you can watch it in your own time at your own pace. And you can watch back and make notes, etc. So the free option is perfectly doable. However, if perhaps you're not free to sort of put the time aside this weekend to watch all that you want to, or you're perhaps going to want to watch back, you can upgrade. I think it's $19.99. All the details are on the website. That gives you unlimited access. Also gives you instant access, actually. So if you pop over now, do the paid version, you can start now watching all the videos, and then you can join in the live Q&As as the event takes place, having already watched everything. Totally up to you. There are also, with the bundles, you do get various other extras, in fact a ton of extras, because if you think about it, there are 29 of us taking part in this. We've all put together extras. There's extra freebies, there's extra content, extra videos, extra downloads, all sorts of things. All the details are on the website, so if you did want to go for the paid option, that's all there as well. I think that's all I need to tell you. So I'll put a link below to the website and you can go over and check it out. But I would recommend going straight over and doing it, because then you're all set for Friday. Particularly if you're going for the free event, you might want to plan your time, sort of thing. So there's also a Facebook group and all sorts of other things. So head over there and you'll get all the information. But I hope I'm going to see you there.